Hi everybody, this is your teacher Bilal Ahmed and this is our English class. So let's summarize this today's class. Today we started from Unit 5, okay? This Unit 5 all about let's measures, okay? Let's measures mean you are going to learn in Unit 5 numbers, okay? Numbers in English, and you will learn how people measure things, okay? For example, the ruler, hands, arm, and feet. So, how people measure things, and you will learn how many things and how to tell the time, right? Okay, and you're gonna learn count in tens, okay, to finish 100. So let's start, guys. So here is the big picture, right? On the page 80, let me show you. This is the page 80, right on the screen. Here is the page 80, okay? And you have to listen for a numbers, okay? You have to listen for a numbers. What are you going to listen for? You will listen for how many big circles are there, okay? This one I'm saying. Number two, how far did Carlos jump? We need to find answer. This is the Carlo, okay? How many far he can jump? Number three, what time is it? Okay, you will learn how to tell the time. So please listen to this track number 80, okay, and find the three answers. All right. So let me play this track.
Track 54.
There are a lot of shapes on this chart.
Yes, there are. There are 10 big circles and 10 little circles.
There are 10 big squares and 10 little squares. There are 10 big triangles and 10 little triangles.
There are 10 big rectangles and 10 little rectangles. There are 10 big hearts and 10 little hearts.
Okay, Carlos? Ready, steady, jump!
How far did I jump?
Just a moment. I'll measure. You jumped 52 centimetres.
How many?
52 centimetres.
Look at this clock. What time is it?
Is it 11 o'clock?
No, it isn't. Try again.
It's 10 o'clock.
Yes, it is.
Okay, everyone. So I hope you understand this track. Now, here are the three questions. How many big circles are there? How many big circles? Yes, how many big circles are there? Where are the big circles? The green or yellow? Sorry, orange. The greens are big circles. Orange are small little circles. So how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are big 10 circles. So answer is 10. How far did Carlos jump? Look at this Carlo. He's trying to jump. How many centimeter he jumped? Look at his friend. What he told him about is how far he jumped. 52 centimeter. What time is it? Look at this clock. It's 10 o'clock. Okay, guys, so you have to write answers. Okay, let's move on to the vocabulary. You must know this is how to say centimeter, 60, C for centi, M for meter, 60 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 72 centimeter. This is used when we jump or measure things. Look at this clock. This is clock. You can see and tell the time, like 10 o'clock. How many children in the picture? Okay, you have to count. How many girls and boys all together? This is children. And here are the shapes. Here are the shapes. You learned that circles, little circles, big squares, little squares, big triangles, small triangles, big rectangles, small rectangles, big hearts and small hearts. You can see stars. Okay, the next one we learn on page 81, we learn count in tens. You remember in math how to count in tens. You need to open 10 fingers. Can you see? You will need 10 fingers. Here are 10 fingers. So each time you need to open 10 fingers to say count to 10. Now it's time to listen, counting in 10. Okay?
Track 55. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
So here is counting in tens. You have to memorize by opening 10 fingers. Okay, now here is the last thing you have to study today. Listen, read and sing. At home, you need to read this poem again and sing with your partner. Okay, there are 10 children singing this song in the big picture. How many? 10 children. Okay, and do you see them? Here are 10 children are going to listen. So how many fingers? How many children have raised their hands in the air? How many fingers are in the air altogether? We say 100. Because 10 children and 10 fingers each, we say 100. Let's listen to this poem. Okay, let's listen to this poem and 10 little fingers.
Track 56.
10 little, 20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air. 10 little, 20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air. Now, let's count backwards. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, 10 little fingers in the air. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, 10 little fingers in the air.
So guys, here is a song about counting in tens. Okay, so you have to read again at home. Okay, and practice counting by 10 and counting 10 back. Back means 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good day.